Haven't got ClipChamp installed on your computer, you may have if it's Windows 10 or 11 currently. You can go to link in the description and work with it online. So if I scroll down here, go to this and add this to my timeline, which you can see it is there. Now I tap on text. Some text has a background, so if I tap on there, so I have a text box which you can adjust. So if I move the blade over and then I tap on there, I can overtype it. So here you can see I can adjust the colour. Got more options here. So you can see the colours change now. You can add an outline. I can move the text up here. I can go to settings. I can do different types of lines like that. This is, you can move the length of time. This has got auto captions in, so if you want to watch the next video with auto captions, you can see it there. So I'll just show you adding the one with the text box. So if I move the blade to there, add text, move the blade back again. So I can go on there and I can adjust the colours. Can go to advanced again. You can add extra effects. You can position the text. So it's bouncing all over the place. It's in the bottom there. If I put it back in the middle, you can see. So it's got what animation to it. Useful feature. So you can add fade ins, fade outs. So as the text runs, make your Canva designs better. Check out the playlist at the end for more valuable tips and tricks. So you've got all these different effects. Kaleidoscope. So you've got all these different types of fonts in here with headings, titles and all sorts. So if you like this video, found it useful and you want to watch the video at the end with auto captions or go to playlist at the end, you can learn more about ClipChamp.